You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the font size on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, tap on Display, look for Font Size or Font Size and Style. On some phones this is under Accessibility. Tap on Font Size. You will see a slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase font size, or to the left to decrease. The preview text above will show the change. Tap Apply or OK. The new font size will apply system-wide, affecting menus, settings, and most apps. To change the font style, tap on Font Style if available. You can choose from default, Samsung Sans, or download new fonts from the Galaxy Store on Samsung phones. For more granular control, go to Accessibility Settings, tap on Text and Display. Here you can also enable bold text for better readability. If you have an older Android version, the option might be under Vision in Accessibility. Some apps may not respect the system font size. In that case, check the app's own settings for a text size option. Changing font size can make your phone easier to read. To revert, simply move the slider back to the middle. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.